copy, 2018. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in its deep dark lair through the long cold winter, sleeps a giant, great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl. She's looking at the pictures.
Mm-hmm. And the bear snores.
And the bear snores. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe. Creepy crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs and a small hot spark.
And the bear snores.
The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't snap. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the dawn. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea.
Yeah.
You should see her eyes. Her eyes open up wide every time I show her the book. The mouse sips wee slurps and the hare burps big burps.
Burp, burp.
The bear snores on. Look at those pictures. I know you can't really see them. The light's behind her too. So. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on.
I don't think I'd be able to sleep as peacefully without it.
I wish you could do it from this side because you got to see her eyes. A gopher and a mole tumble up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up, he gnarls and he snarls, he roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh, everyone's gonna get in trouble. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.
Snore.
You like that story?
Just like your daddy.
Just like your grandpa.
The end.